it's Yvonne here. If you don't follow me already, please do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there and a notification bell. And go ahead and hit that like button so you can I can know that you actually like my content. But today I'm coming at you with a video. I usually do Goodwill the bin hauls. I go to yard sales, thrift stores, garage sales, and I look for items that I can either resell and or keep for myself. If I am reselling anything, it's usually a handbag, an accessory. That's usually what I like, and I like to get, if I'm lucky, luxury or designer stuff to put in my closet as well as to keep for myself. So all of the stuff that you see here, I've thrifted. I found at the bin, I found at yard sales, etc. And if I am selling anything, it is on my Poshmark. I am at Torihita Girl or EJTA on Poshmark. If you don't follow me there, go ahead and do so. If you if you are interested in selling as well, go ahead and put me as a reference. And if it's your first time, you get $10 off your first purchase. Even if you don't want to sell, you can always buy on there. So use me as a reference, and I get $10 and you get $10. Only if you buy something. And also follow me on my Instagram. I am Luxury Handbag Cheapskate on Instagram. So make sure you follow me on there if you do not already. But, oh, and if you like anything in my closet, always feel free to make an offer, make a bundle. I can shoot you an offer that way easier. So definitely utilize that bundle method on Poshmark. But today I'm coming at you with an exciting video. Oh, I was excited to get this. I also do a lot of freebie videos. So I like getting free stuff in the mail. I look for things that I can sample, sampling programs, things like that. And I also do a lot of collaborations with this company because I get selected, not because they're paying me. Yeah, I know. But I always try to get myself basically on the selection side. And I did for this one, and I was very excited because it's something that I really love. This product is something that I love. So it's a food. So basically a food, but it's really a cookie. Anyway, look at this huge box they sent me. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I couldn't even fit it in the video. But it is from, let me go ahead. It is from Ripplestreet. Okay, I have talked about Ripplestreet before. And they are a company where you can host like house parties with that brand that they're basically promoting. In this case, they were promoting a brand that I love. And so I was like, okay, I need to get in on that. So I did. I should have bought the item that I have already bought, but I didn't. Sorry. I will insert a picture if I can here so you can see it. And I will also link that product down below so you can shop if you want to shop it. But Ripplestreet is a company, like I said, that works with brands. And they allow you and give you items so that you can host a party with friends and family, and you can try the product, try different recipes with the product, all kinds of cool stuff. Like I really like it. So I've been doing this for a while already. I've gotten several of their boxes, and every box that I get is always spectacular. I love everything I get, and I always share with my party people that come. So it's always a lot of fun. I enjoy hosting these parties. But yeah, okay. So inside of the box, they send me all kinds of goodies. And the product that I am promoting is, let's see if I can, trying to be careful there that I don't hit everything. This is kind of like, yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. So let me go ahead and show you this item so that you can see what company I'm working with. But they sent me a lot of stuff to host my party. So yeah, I'm very excited. And this is the item. Let me show you. Yay! I'm working with Oreo cookie. If you want to go sign up with Ripplestreet, I will leave the info down below so you can go sign up. It's free. All you got to do is basically sign up, and then you just apply for the parties. There's usually like little basically things they want you to do, and that's like post on social media. In order to apply, you have to post pictures. Sometimes you have to post a video on your social media, and that either entails either Instagram or Facebook. So just be aware of that if you don't like doing that, because you will have to do that. But it's very easy. You do it, and then if you get selected, you get a box of goodies and you host a party. Okay, so like I said, I'm doing it for Oreo. Oreo right now is doing 110th anniversary. So I saw that and I had entered for the contest that they have, because they currently have a contest going on where they fulfill a wish for you. So I went ahead and signed up for that, and then shortly after I saw that Ripplestreet was doing this party, and I was like, oh, well, I want to get in that too. So I did, and so this is just some of the info, and so I'm very, very excited for that. So we'll put the card to the side, and they sent me this little package here for my party as well. All this stuff here is for my party. So they sent me this little box of goodies, and it has these little Oreo 110 little balloons. How cute. 110 years. Those are super cool. So I'll blow some of those up. Those are really fun. Let's see. And then they sent me these. They were packaged, but I opened them. This is the only thing that I've opened so far, but this is 110 years. Again, birthday, bring home the party, celebrate with 9 delicious recipes available at Target. So they give you these little cards, and I got a whole slew of them to share with my party people. But these is it. You get a whole bunch of recipes on there. So just kind of going to go an overview of them, but here they are. Oh, everything looks like really deliciously good because it's made with the Oreo cookies, which I love. I love Oreo cookies. I've been eating them since I was a little kid, so that's definitely my favorite cookie. And recently I have been wanting the fudge covered Oreos. Those are just my favorite ones as well, so I love them. And they have lemon ones too, which again are my favorite. But the ones that I bought were the 110th birthday edition ones, which were with the confetti filling. So I'm excited for those. So those should be coming soon. Okay, so so I've got this too. Let's see. This is a party hat assembly. I don't want to open it, but I'll show you the little flyer here. But here it is. This is the assembly of the little party hat. So you can kind of see what it looks like all put together there on that last picture. But this is it. So you get these really cute little party hats with little pom-poms on them. They say Oreo 110. So these are super fun. And you get the elastics and everything. So that's super cool. I'm excited for that. Okay. Then we got a little something here. All right, okay, so let's go ahead and get this out because this is kind of a big item. And it's this really cool little cupcake pan, or like cookie pan, or whatever you want to call it. Because you can make like little brownies in it and stuff. This is the Oreo little cupcake pan. It's super cool. I did not have a cupcake pan anymore. I had one at one time, and I don't know what happened to it. I guess my mom ruined it and it ended up being outside, and just, it's not good to use anymore. So, well, we threw it out. But this is great because, like I said, I didn't have one of these. So I'm excited so that I can try some of those Oreo recipes that are on there. So that's exciting. Okay, and then, oh, look at this. Okay, oh, this is really cool. I'm excited for this. And it is this really cute little Oreo blanket. Look at that. Oh, it's got all these little Oreo cookies on it. Really nice quality blanket. It says Oreo here. It's a very nice plushy blanket. And yeah, it's really warm, to be honest. I like this. This is super cute. So yeah, it's a big blanket. I'm not going to open it, but it looks like a pretty big blanket. So I love that. So we'll just put that over here. And then, there we go. Okay, and then we got something to go along with our little cake, our little cupcake pan. And that's these really cute little Oreo little cupcake liners. Love these. These are so cute. Look at that. They're actually little Oreo cookies on the liners, and they say Oreo. Those are so fun. I love that. So we got that. And then this, which was already falling down here on me, is my $5 gift card to Target. Yes, Ripplestreet throws it out of the park and they send you a $5 gift card, usually or more, depending on what the item is. But they send you $5 to spend at Target on your items that you need to buy for the party because they don't send you cookies, unfortunately. But you just go to Target, and right now Target actually has a promo where you go and they're giving you, I believe, $5 off your basket. So basically you get $10 off your gift card, and your basket has to be, I believe, a $20 total. So you use Red Circle and voila, you basically get like $10 off. So it's a win-win. They always do that with the promos as well. Ripplestreet and whatever product they're promoting, Target will usually do a promo along with whatever they're promoting, so that way you get a better deal when you go to Target. Just an FYI. So that's cool. Put that to the side. And then, let me see, because some of these things I'm going to have to open. But I got this here, and look at that. Oh, God. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. See what this says. Okay, so we'll just get one out, but I got quite a few of these to give out. And these are the Oreo Earbuds. It says Oreo contains Oreo Earbuds. Look at the little box. How cute. They're like little cookies all over. They're super fun. And let's open these up and see what's inside. Okay, so you get this here, which is a little charging port. Looks like a little charger cable. And then, oh, wow. Okay. Let me see now if I can get them out, because they're kind of like stuck in there. Okay, these are nice. These are really nice. Look at that. Okay, so you get this here, and let me show you. Look at this. Oh, sorry. They fell this way. My camera moved. But look at this. They're little cookies. They're really cute little cookies for your earbuds. Oh, my God. I love it. And they got the little hook here, so you can hook them on whatever you want. They've got the charging cable there. And they look just like, you know what, which I won't say here, but that's what they look like. And here you go. Look at that. Oh, so cool. Oh, my God. I'm excited for these. Yes, Oreo, you threw it out of the park with these. I gotta say. And these are actually, I have a pair of actual Apple AirPods, and I use them so much. They're my favorite thing to use. And so these are going to be, again, wow, how cute. And I got a couple of those to give out at my party, so I will be giving those to my guest. Love that. Okay, so thank you, Oreo, for that. Okay, so let's go ahead and put these aside, because I don't want anything to happen to them. So we'll just put them over here. And let's go ahead and open up the rest of the stuff, because there's still like a box of stuff to open here. I will show you here. Oh my gosh. Okay. And so let's see what else I got. What else did they send me? Okay, so there's something else in here. I don't know what it is, but let me go ahead and take it out. They're in these little boxes. So there you go, little white boxes. All right. Oh, wow. Okay. This is so fun. They're these little cups, little Oreo cups, and they come with a little opening here to put your cookies underneath. I absolutely love that. That is so cool. Oh, look. Oh, wow. All right. Okay, these are pretty cool. I like those. Look at those. I love that. And you put your cookies in there and then you just kind of take them out and you can obviously eat them. They're so cool. Okay, so I got that. And then, let's see. So, they send me that. And then there's something else underneath of here, which I don't know what it is, so we're going to go ahead and open it up. Like I said, Ripplestreet always throws it out of the park. I mean, the company, and they're very good at customer service as well, because I will say that there was one instance where I didn't get my $5 gift card from Target. I don't know what happened. I think it just kind of somehow probably fell out of the box or something, since they kind of just throw it in there. I mean, and so that's what happened. But I called them and all good. They sent me a new one, and I was very appreciative for that. So, like I said, they do. They are very, very helpful. Okay, so this is, I don't know what this is exactly, but looks like a little table of some sort, or a little stand of some sort. It's got it's got this here, little like 3 little feet. It's got a battery pack as well with some lights and some battery and some little feet, like I said. So it's got some screws here, which I'm guessing go to the little stands, little feet there. And then it's got these little things here. If I can, I will insert a picture of what it looks like once you put it together. But here it is. You get these little like lucite clear stands that say Oreo on them, and guessing that you just like put them all together. I don't know how, but yeah. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Looks like the little, I don't know exactly how you put them together, but they all say Oreo on them, and you get different sizes. So I'll have to look at that later. There was no explanation or instructions with this one, so I'll have to see how they go together. But that's pretty cool. And you do get a bigger one here on the bottom. I can show them all to you kind of, but there they are. You get that bigger one as you see in the back there. They just have like a plastic, like a film on them, so they don't get scratched up. But yeah, wow. Okay, so that is it. Yep, that's all that I got. So, and again, super cool. And it does have all these like little stands. Again, just has 3 of these, so I don't know how exactly they go, but I will figure that out. And my little lights, and then I've got these little like things in here. So that is it. That's the video. Oh my gosh, I'm excited for everything that I got, and yeah, I love this. I love everything that they sent me. That was it. That was all. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I already made it too long, but yeah, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and definitely go ahead and check out Ripplestreet, because they are really awesome. And like I said, if you're not signed up to get freebies, you need to do it. This is going to be your year, 2022, to just get on the ball and sign up for all these free cool things that you can also get. And yeah, don't forget to, like I said, comment down below, tell me what your favorite thing was here. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.